Every day, many of us wake up with the dream of achieving financial freedom, yet find ourselves ensnared in the endless cycle of conventional income streams. We devote hours exchanging labor for wages, only to see our efforts diminish amidst a sea of bills and responsibilities. It's a cycle many are desperate to break free from, seeking alternatives that promise not just survival, but financial elevation. This is where the concept of passive income enters, shining as a potential beacon of hope. Yet many wonder, how can one navigate the maze of opportunities without succumbing to the pitfalls of get-rich-quick schemes? The answer lies in a mix of creativity, strategy, and openness to explore non-traditional avenues. Today, we introduce you to Print on Demand, a gateway for leveraging your creativity to build a stream of passive income. Despite its challenges, armed with the right guidance and tenacity, a clear path towards financial independence can be forged. You'll learn to transform your ideas into tangible products, market them effectively, and build a business that thrives on the principles of passive earning. Together, let's transform your financial dreams into reality. In a landscape dominated by conventional business models, finding a venture that blends passion with profit, creativity with opportunity, and carries minimal risk is a rare gem. That gem is Print on Demand. This modern approach allows you to unleash your creative spirit, designing and selling custom products worldwide without the hassle of inventory or large upfront costs. Picture a business that blooms within the comfort of your home, powered by your vision and a simple laptop. The benefits are undeniable. No inventory tying up funds, the ability to scale at your pace, improved margins through waste reduction, and a straightforward startup process. With a plethora of platforms at your fingertips, initiating your collection could be mere clicks away. As we dive deeper, you'll see how your creativity can evolve into a substantial passive income, paving a road filled with infinite potentials. Transforming a blank canvas into a masterpiece parallels the journey of success in the print-on-demand industry. It's not merely about the creations, but their presentation and how they connect with your audience, imbuing value. Crafting designs that resonate, evoke emotions, and inspire action is a strategic endeavor. Selecting the right products as your canvas is crucial. It needs to perfectly complement your creative seeds, allowing them to flourish and become integral to your customers' stories. Mastery of design software serves as a transformative tool, simplifying the manifestation of complex ideas into tangible realities. Your distinctiveness and the quality of your designs are pivotal, carving out your success in the crowded print-on-demand marketplace. As we explore marketing strategies, remember, the essence of your triumph lies in how you connect with your audience through your unique creations. Creation is only the beginning. Elevating your print-on-demand business demands an impactful online presence, not just a digital storefront, but a brand that captivates. Social media platforms become stages for your narrative. Each offers a unique approach to display your products and brand ethos, effectively engaging your target audience. Engagement, the vital element of online marketing, transforms passive viewers into active participants. It's about creating dialogues, listening, responding, and nurturing a community around your brand. This community not only drives sales, but builds lasting loyalty. As we progress, the significance of fostering these connections will become evident, proving instrumental in the transition from mere visibility to genuine brand-customer relationships, and setting the stage for enduring success in the competitive print-on-demand arena. As your journey unfolds from concept to tangible reality, the rewards of passive income start to materialize, affirming that creativity blended with entrepreneurship can indeed prosper. With each design, your portfolio expands, opening new avenues for income and broadening your market reach. This not only keeps your brand vibrant, but engages a wider audience. Customer testimonials stand as milestones, echoing the impact of your work far beyond financial gains. They authenticate your dedication, innovation, and courage. As we conclude our guide, remember, Print on Demand offers a universe of possibilities. Your commitment and ingenuity are the keys to unlocking lasting success and financial liberty. Embrace the journey ahead with unwavering resolve and watch as your business flourishes into a beacon of success.